Hello everybody, and welcome to Doing Stuff and Things. Now because we're uploading this video on December 24th, that makes this the Christmas episode, and it gives me a very rare opportunity to wear my favorite Christmas sweater. Coincidentally, we're going to be going to the Hindu temple this week. We're going to see what that place is all about and what it looks like, because I've heard it's like a botanical gardens and it's beautiful. Now I heard the Hindu temple has one of the best banyan trees on the whole island, and I'm really excited about that because banyan trees are my absolute favorite tree. If you're unfamiliar with banyan trees, you are in for a treat. They are amazing. What makes them spectacular is how they grow. More on that in a little bit. We're also going to check out a sacred forest nearby, which is part of the grounds for the Hindu temple. The temple is open to the public. I believe it's like 6 to 6. But double check the hours before you go to make sure they're open. And you are not allowed inside the temple proper unless you're a worshiping member, but they do let you walk around the grounds and just really appreciate the beauty and the work they've done to the area. In an effort to keep these videos at approximately 10 minutes, which I think is the magic number, but I'm not sure, I'm going to split this up because we have a second part to this adventure today, which is my absolute favorite freshwater swimming hole on the whole island, with my favorite rope swing that I've found so far. Really looking forward to that. We're gonna have this adventure rain or shine, because I'm doing stay-at-home dad stuff lately, which doesn't give me a lot of time to get out of the house. But I got a couple hours this morning, so we're gonna go make it happen. And if you like adventure shows, travel shows, this kind of content, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. I really appreciate the support. Let's go check out the Hindu temple, their sacred forest, their amazing banyan tree, and then next week, we're going to do this rope swing into this epic swimming hole. Check it out. Now what makes banyan trees so spectacular is how they grow. The branches go out, and from the branches, new roots drop down that start to look like vines, but eventually those roots will twist and braid together and become new trunks. And from there, more branches will go out, more roots will go down, and eventually you'll be looking at what looks like an entire forest, but is in fact only one tree. They're amazing. And most all the islands here in Hawaii have examples of truly spectacular banyan trees. For example, in Hilo on the Big Island at Rainbow Falls, right on top of the falls, there's a huge collection of banyan trees that is just magnificent. In Maui, right in Lahaina, in the city square, there's a huge banyan tree that's become a city park. It's incredible. On Oahu, if you go up by Turtle Bay, there's a hidden banyan tree in the back where they actually filmed a lot of scenes for the television series Lost. And that tree is also amazing. But what's cool about that one is if you go just beyond it, there's a hidden beach there that's mostly overlooked by people, and it's truly a screensaver. Big turquoise bay, usually calm water, beautiful beach, great swimming. Now unfortunately Kauai has done a lot of trimming. They've really heavily groomed most of their banyans. Disappointing for me, but this one here at the Hindu temple, they really let it reach its full potential. So check this out, this is amazing.
Bye.